Hello everyone, I am Deepak Mani and today we are going to start the new lesson matrices, which is in mathematics part 1 of 12 standard. Points we are going to discuss today which we were learned in 11th standard. First one, definition of matrix, and then types of matrices. So let us start with our first point, definition of matrix. A rectangular arrangement of mn numbers in m rows and n columns enclosed between square bracket is called matrix of order m by n. So this is such type of arrangements are called as matrix. So in this arrangement, these horizontal arrangements are called as row. So this is first row. Okay. This is second row. This is third row. This is mth row. Okay, elements on mth row are am1, am2, amn. That means this arrangement containing m number of rows. Now these vertical arrangements are called as columns. So this is first column, this is second column, this is third column. Elements, sorry, third nth column. This is nth column. So element on nth column are a1n, a2n, a3n, and amn. Okay, so this arrangement containing n number of columns. So the order of this matrix is m by n. This read as m by n, means m number of rows and n number of columns. Suppose order of the matrix is 2 by 3. That means that arrangement containing 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Next, types of matrices. Now the first type is row matrix. Matrix containing only one row is called row matrix. So here this matrix containing one row, two columns. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 2. This arrangement containing one row and three columns. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 3. This is example of row matrix. Okay. Next, column matrix. Matrix containing only one column is called column matrix. Okay. So this arrangement containing two rows and one column. So this is column matrix and the order is 2 by 1. And this matrix containing three rows and one column. So the order of this matrix is 3 by 1. Next, zero matrix. Such type of matrices are called as zero matrix. Okay. Matrix in which all elements are zero. So order of this matrix is 2 by 3 and the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Square matrix means matrix containing same number of rows and column. Okay. So this is square matrix because this arrangement containing two rows, two column. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. This is also square matrix because this arrangement containing three rows and three columns. So the order of this matrix is 3 by 3. That means this is a square matrix of order 2 and this is square matrix of order 3. So here this A, B, C are called as diagonal elements of the square matrix. Okay. And the remaining elements A, G, F or H, G, F are called as non-diagonal elements. Here 1 and 0 are diagonal elements and minus 2 and 4 are non-diagonal elements. Okay. So diagonal matrix in square matrix, when non-diagonal elements are 0, then such matrix is called as diagonal matrix. For example, this is diagonal matrix because here this is a square matrix of order 2 in which non-diagonal elements are 0. Next, this one, this is also square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are 0. So this is diagonal matrix. This matrix can be written as diagonal in bracket, just write the diagonal elements. Okay. And this matrix can be written as like this, diagonal in bracket, just write the diagonal elements. Scalar matrix, it is also square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are same. So this is examples of scalar matrix. Okay, so here non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are same. So this is scalar matrix. Here also non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are same. So this is also scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. This identity matrix is also called as unit matrix. It is denoted by capital I. Okay, it is also square matrix in which now non-diagonal elements are 0 but the diagonal elements are 1. Okay, So this is a square matrix of order 2 and this is square matrix of order 3 because here diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. There are two types of triangular matrices. First one upper triangular matrix and next one lower triangular matrix. So upper triangular matrix is a square matrix in which elements below the diagonals are 0. Okay, so this is a square matrix. This is also square matrix. So here elements below the diagonals are 0 and here also elements, this is diagonal elements, okay, and elements below the diagonal elements are 0. So such type of matrix is called upper triangular matrix. Okay, now lower triangular matrix, it is also square matrix in which all elements above the diagonals are 0. Okay, so this is square matrix of order 2, this is square matrix of order 3. So here the elements above this diagonal is 0 and here elements above these diagonals are 0. So such type of matrix is called as lower triangular matrix. Next, singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Okay, so singular matrix, it is also square matrix. Okay, it is also square matrix whose determinant value equals to 0. And non-singular means if the determinant value of square matrix is not equal to 0, then it is called as non-singular matrix. So let us consider two matrices. First A, it is square matrix of order 2 and here this is also square matrix of order 2. Now we find the determinant value of this matrix. Okay, so here the determinant value of this matrix is equal to 0 means it is square matrix, but here the determinant value of this matrix is not equal to 0, that means it is non-singular matrix. Okay, next symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so symmetric matrix is also square matrix in which elements above the opposite two diagonals are same. This is symmetric matrix of order 2 and this is symmetric matrix of order 3. So here 2 and minus 1 are is diagonal element, is diagonal. Okay, and element opposite to this diagonal are 3 and 3. Okay, this is this element placed on first row second column, that means A12, and this is this element placed on second row first column, so A21. So these elements are same. So this is symmetric matrix of order 2. Here A, B, C is diagonal and element opposite to diagonals are same, H, H, G, G, F, F. So such type of matrix is called as symmetric matrix. Now in skew symmetric matrix is again a square matrix in which diagonal elements are 0 and elements opposite to diagonals are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. This is skew symmetric matrix of order 2. This is skew symmetric matrix of order 3. So here diagonal elements are 0 and elements opposite to these diagonals are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. This is also skew symmetric matrix of order 3 because diagonal elements are 0 and elements opposite to diagonals are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. बघा इथं minus h, the opposite element is h, g opposite element is minus g, minus f opposite element is f. Now next type, transpose of a matrix. Matrix obtained by interchanging rows and column is called transpose of that matrix. So let us consider one matrix A whose order is 2 by 2 and matrix B whose order is 2 by 3 because this arrangement containing 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns. This is elements on first row 2 minus 1 0, elements on second row 3 1 5, elements on first column 2 3, element on second column minus 1 1, elements on third column 0 5. Now the transpose of this matrix A is denoted by A raised to T and the transpose of this matrix B is denoted by B raised to T, and this matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. So the transpose of matrix A is A transpose is equal to this one. So here 2 5 is our first row becomes first column in its transpose, and 3 minus 1 which is second row in A becomes second column in its transpose. Okay, now here the transpose of matrix B is B transpose is equal to this one. Now here first row is 2 minus 1 0 become first column 2 minus 1 0, and the second row 3 1 5 becomes a second column 3 1 5. Here the order of matrix B is 2 by 3 and the order of its transpose is 3 by 2 because we interchanging rows and columns. Next, one important point, when A transpose is equal to A, when matrix and its transpose are same, then the matrix is symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix means square matrix in which elements opposite to diagonals are same. But when A transpose is equal to minus A, that means A is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means all diagonal elements are 0 and element opposite to diagonals are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So using this it is possible to identify whether given two given matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. So just revise all these points. Okay, thank you.